Hey, it's TZH here with Technological Gadgets, always bringing you the best in tech and making tech work for you. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to see more tech content like this, and make sure to like my video to let me know you have enjoyed it. Does the onboard audio on your motherboard on your computer or game console sound like crap, making you wonder why your microphone or headphones sound so bad? Don't worry, because we are going to check out the Plextone GS3 USB Soundcard that plugs straight into your computer, costing only $10, and it might just be all you ever need to solve that crappy microphone and headphone issue. Firstly, let's take a look at the packaging. It comes in this pretty nice packaging. On the front, we have Plextone written on the topmost portion, followed by the picture of the product itself, and then Soundcard written in green just beneath it, and virtual 7.1 channel USB Soundcard adapter with some features written in very small text below. On the back, the packaging touts some features in different languages, and that's basically it. Opening it up, you get the user manual, voucher/warranty card, and the product itself housed in this plastic container. Taking it out, it does look really nice with a matte black finish. However, it is made completely out of plastic. It has a USB connector on one end, with the cable being flat, thin, and pretty short. On the front, you get a small 7.1 button to activate the 7.1 surround sound, which I will get to later, and a microphone mute switch. Super handy if you want to quickly mute your microphone, but your microphone does not have a onboard mute switch. The buttons do feel pretty mushy when pressed in, but for the price I can't really complain. Below that, you do have a huge volume knob that, although it's made out of plastic, feels super smooth with lots of control and is super satisfying to use. Below that, you have 3 indicators for the 3 corresponding 3.5mm headphone ports on the bottom. Moving from left to right, the first one is a stereo headphone jack, followed by a combo stereo headphone plus mono microphone jack, aka those found on many headsets or earbuds that have an inline or built-in microphone. And lastly, a dedicated stereo microphone jack. To set it up, all you have to do is plug in the USB end into an available USB port on your game console or computer. Then make sure to plug in your audio device to the corresponding 3.5mm headphone jacks found on the USB Soundcard, and you should be good to go. This allows me to lower the volume on my microphone to achieve the same loudness, reducing a lot of the noise in the process. As for the mute switch, it works for both inline and dedicated microphones, giving you a quick way to mute your microphone while telling you via a red LED if you are muted or not. Onto the final conclusion for the Plextone GS3 USB Soundcard. If you own a pretty high-end game console or computer that has really good onboard audio, you might not need this. Although it gives you a much cleaner and clearer signal while maintaining much more consistent power while you make your microphone louder if you need it. But for much cheaper and budget computer and game consoles, you will see a way bigger difference. The mute switch and the volume knob is very convenient, with the ability to plug in basically anything that has a 3.5mm jack into it being so freaking handy. And the 7.1 surround sound is cool for certain situations. Nonetheless, it is an awesome product for $10, and I highly recommend you to check it out. I hope this video has helped you out so far, and if it did, make sure to drop me a like to let me know, and subscribe to help support this channel for free. Last but not least, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.